Are you pregnant and unsure of how to choose the right doctor for you? Watch this video for 5 important reasons why it matters. So choosing the doctor is one of the most important decisions you will make for a healthy pregnancy and birth. And here are 5 reasons why. So number 1, your doctor will provide prenatal care to monitor your health and the health of your baby and help you gain confidence throughout your pregnancy. So number 2, your doctor will help you make important decisions about nutrition, exercise and prenatal testing and help you overcome fears for labor, birth and help you throughout your pregnancy and birth. Number 3, your doctor will be there to guide you through the labor and delivery process. So number 4, your doctor will monitor your baby's health during labor and delivery and in some cases if needed make sure necessary interventions are done in a timely manner if medically indicated. Number 5, your doctor will provide postpartum care to ensure a healthy recovery for you and your baby. Choosing the right doctor is the key to healthy pregnancy and birth.